Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Dinarica Bersola, 32 years old. I'm a separated and blessed one son, 10 years old. I live in Tulutuging, Camalanyugan, Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I'm a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Management Accounting. I'm a Roman Catholic. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housekeeper. I have two brothers and four sisters. I'm a domestic helper in Jordan for 2 years, year 2021 to 2023. I taking care of elderly, 88 years old. I do the washing, ironing, cleaning the house, and preparing her foods. If you choose me as your helper, I will do my duties and responsibilities. I will treat your family as my own family. Take care and God bless. Thank you.